the church structures or institution structures should be well for the people with special needs. They should be accommodative. Whenever you are putting a building today, we are appealing that you must put a building that is accommodative to the people with special needs.
Nihoya aria Atongoria kanitha wa Seventh Day kaunti-ini ya Naikuru makiuga andu aria mari na mawathe ni makoretwo na ihinda iritu riria meguthie gwetha motungata wabici-ini itiganite. Kanitha kiuga ni makoragwo na thina munene thutha wa kwaga atauri uria marauga kana uria marenda mahingirio toria kecho uria ni murugamiriri wa andu aria makoragwo na mawathe kanitha-ini uyu aratariria.
The people on wheelchair can hear, they can see, but the deaf, most of the churches have no interpreters. And we want to bring this attention to all our churches, that whenever you are, please can you be able to train our people to be interpreters, so that when pastor is preaching, when people are singing, they can be able to follow.
Akechi ni oreti aciari aria maikaraga na ciana kana andu agima aria makoragwo na mawathe kumatwara mathukuru-ini ma guthomithio kuhuthira ciiko kuria mekuhota guteithika.
They must be able to know about family planning. They must know how to relate to themselves, about sexual matters.
Rispa Bosibori ni umwe wa aria mateithikite na mutaratara wa kanitha ucio wa andu aria makoragwo na wathe wa kuigua, na ni aratariria uria agunikite kuma riria aingiria mutaratara-ini ucio.
Many have finished vocational training. They have the skills, example tailoring. They can type in the computer, saloon, but they are at home doing nothing.
Na oho ihoya kuri thirikari cia kaunti guku bururi-ini.
We ask the government if it can empower people, and then we can have a special fund for them. They can do some business. Some have skills even in driving, but they don't have a job. The government to open the opportunity, same as the hearing groups.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita kama wa Mwangi.
One big family.